Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can hide a post with marks in Instagram. Please friends, put your likes, subscribe to this channel. Also write your comments at the end of the video. So let's get started with you and me. And first of all, open up the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to your profile. And here, if someone has tagged you in their posts, you'll need to go right here. And here you'll be able to see a full list of the tags. So these are other people's posts that they have on their page that they just tagged you in. And let's say, if you would like to delete one of the marks, for example, then you have to open the photo and then click on the three dots above it and then select Post Options. Or you'll have the tagging option. Then select Delete from my profile. And now, if you update your profile a little bit, you won't see this photo in the tags. But if after a while you change your mind and you want this post back on your profile, then you'd have to go to that person. You go down to the bottom, look for that post. Again, click on the three dots above it. Next, Post Options. And Show in my profile. Now go back to your profile. You can also update it. And as you can see, this post is now up here in front, which is like you've just been tagged. So that's the way it is. Friends, you can hide a tagged post in the Instagram app. I hope this video was helpful for you and helped you out. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.